Hi all, welcome back to Bengaluru. Today I am going to Bird of Paradise where we can pet them and touch them. So first one is a gerbil. Next one is a guinea pig. It is so soft. And my brother also touched it. This is a rabbit. It is so fluffy. This is a drinking duck. And I fed them. This is a duck which has a red mask on his face. This is a swan. One is a male, another is a female. My brother was playing with the birds. This is a hen. It is so soft. Next we are going to see a ostrich. This is a big ostrich. Thank you all for watching my video. Bye.